How to use X11 forwarding with PuTTY. I have a VM with role 5 without an X server. My host has Windows 7. I need to connect to the VM and redirect the X11 output of the commands to my host. I know that if my host were a new/Linux machine it would be as easy as SSH. I'm using PuTTY to connect by SSH to the VM. I tried enabling X11 forward option in PuTTY config, but nothing happened. Have you ever done this? I'm quite advanced with new/Linux, but a newbie with this toy of WinBug 7.
You need a X server on your Windows workstation. A couple popular options include VCXSRV, XMain, non-free, X410, non-free. You need your SSH server to have the X11 forwarding yes set in the SSHD_config. It also needs at least the Zoth binary/package, but you may want to install your distribution's version of X11 base clients. In PuTTY all you should have to do check the enable X11 forwarding box under connections /SSH/X11 in your PuTTY connection. PuTTY documentation for X11 forwarding. This URL. Man pages for SSHD/SSHD_config. This URL 8. This URL 5.
You could use Mobaxterm against the PuTTY. This URL.